Hey. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Come on in. Come on in. Thank you, Gab TV. Before anything else, I know you're gonna leave. This is one of the most wonderful lady, Coach Betty. I want to
Hey, Betty, I'm doing well.
Nice to meet you.
I want you.
Excited.
She wait for you.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You're gonna do your interview.
This is I call the golden for us. So how's it going? Ron.
Hello.
Everybody clear.
These are the same thing to me. Hi. How are you? I'm doing well. I'm doing
Nice. So we gotta give you only have white man in there. We gotta give you some love.
You gotta get the white man.
That friend.
How's it going?
Yeah, he's Haitian too.
He's Haitian?
Yes, nice to meet you.
He's Haitian honorary.
So quickly we get set and then go through the setting and the rest is yours. So coach,
Okay.
quick
You know
lineup.
what has to
All
happen.
right,
let me get
Chenet.
him.
I'm heading out.
Thank you. I'll take you out.
You're heading out?
Yes, girl.
Yeah.
I got a deadline. I gotta do.
That's true.
So as she was more into what you did, the focus is gonna be the future. And the only things we build together is 20 women that use that platform.
And if I don't cover anything, feel free to ask the questions too. It's all gonna be off camera.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna build. We're gonna connect the third generation through her, because that's
Third
what we met.
generation.
And then that business 20 women she brought here that connect her to our platform.
I got
And
you.
then she go. That's it.
That's it? If that's it?
If that's it.
Every day.
What are you in the cover for you to announce your show?